If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making KANKADA RASAA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom. Take these in a blender and blend to make a powder, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then take half-inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor. Then 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder or haldi, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, about 500 grams of spine gourd or kankada, then 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee and some salt to taste. Now in a small blender jar, take about quarter cup of coconut chunks followed by the ginger, powder, hing, haldi and salt along with 2 tablespoons of water. Now blend all these together to make a paste. Now traditionally, these are made in earthen pots in Lord Jagannath temple. So to show you all, I am using earthen pot for this. But you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. So place it on medium flame and to that add about 2 tablespoons of ghee and wait till it starts to melt. Then to that add all the paste that we made earlier. And we need to saute these for roughly about a couple of minutes so it will get rid of the raw flavor. Then to this, add all the kankada and saute for a minute. Then add about 1.5 cups of water and wait till it starts to boil. Now keep the flame on medium, cover it with a lid and let it simmer till the water is reduced and it's completely cooked. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, KANKADA RASAA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.